Oh, welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And now Dwayne is telling 13 that he will take his lick, he will take his cussing like a big man, a grown ass man, because that's what he is. So, you know, he's, you know, growing up and taking his cursing from anyone, basically, just like he dished it out. So, just watch the video now and like, share, comment. What do you feel about this video? How do you feel about this video? Do you think that 13 and Dwayne should get back in contact? Do you think that they should be talking to each other again? Just go ahead and leave those in the comment section. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know. Thank you.
Every day you're saying you done. Little girl, this is not your time. This is not your time. This is not your time. It's like deja vu. Deja vu slapped me in my face. Do you guys know what deja vu is? Do you guys know what is the definition of deja vu? Fate. Fate. 13. I am gonna say openly, big up your damn self, and I don't care if you wanna cut. You could cuss without God calmly in it. Cuss away. I would take my cussing like a grown ass hardback man. Exactly who I am, a grown ass hardback man. People, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Do you understand? 13. Mighty God. People. I want talking, I want talk, but them don't want talk. You know what? You know why I don't want to, you know why I want to talk? And why I don't want to talk, because I don't want to open Pandora's box. Do you understand? No, darling, I haven't been to sleep. I haven't been to sleep. Jesus Christ. I haven't been. Hey, do I look well rested? Do I look well rested? Tell me the truth. Do I look well rested? It's not a joke. Sound like you handling an olive. Sounds like you handling an olive branch. Listen. If this is what it takes, 13. I would love to extend an olive branch to you. You know why? Not just you. All of you who I have any kind of confusion with, animosity. I want to extend that branch. Say, listen. We can all, mighty God. Me afraid if it said the P word. What, pussy? What P word? You were up for 6 hours. Good night. Listen, I'm not gonna extend any apologies to anyone. I just want everyone on social media to know I'm gonna be more respectful to everyone. I am. This is not me. This is not me seeking any kind of redemption from anyone. However, I feel like it is the right thing to do. It is. And I'm grown enough to accept my wrongdoings at times. You understand? You were up for 6 hours. Yes, he was. No, I haven't been to sleep. You know, funny thing, I tell you guys what happened. Earlier tonight, I had some food, right? I had some food. and I fell asleep on my sofa, and I woke up. Mighty God. I woke up to some not so pleasant things. Yolanda, I saw you. Yolanda, I saw you. It is such a tragedy. People, do you guys remember when I spoke on certain things on here and I said, listen, be careful. Be careful. Do you guys remember? I feel like I was so concerned. I was so concerned with what I was hearing because that very same thing, it slapped me in my face too. And at the time, I thought it was just because of that. When it was that, what a piece of travesty. Don't laugh, people. Listen, you know, we should never laugh at people's. We should never laugh at people's. I wouldn't use the word demise, but I don't think we should laugh at people's failure, so to speak. I pray to God they will be careful. Be careful. I got cussed out. All I can do is pray to God things will get better. If you don't know, just let it go, Vinette. If you don't know, just let it go. All I can do is pray things will, go back to Jesus Christ. Oh, and listen, I'm not doing this live. I'm not doing this live because I'm here to celebrate or nothing. As much as me and certain factors on here don't affiliate or associate with each other after, that last mess. I'm very careful. I am very careful. Sharon, I am careful. I'm so careful. I'm so careful. Well, thank you, Sharon. Honest to God, people, I'm so thankful to the few people